Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to export HTML and CSS template into PDF document using Node.js, and for this we'll be using a automation library called as Puppeteer. This is actually a simple template. Here you will see this is actually a simple website, a static website which contains HTML and CSS code. We have this heading, we have the menu, we have the paragraph, we also have the table. So it's a single page website which is constructed using HTML and CSS. So what I need to do here, we need to convert this into PDF document, and for this we have written this Node.js script here. So if I just execute this script here, you will see on the left hand side it will convert this HTML template. So this template is there, you can see template.html. So now as I execute the script here, you will see it will convert this HTML file to PDF. So all this HTML code here, this is your template is converted into PDF. So if I try to open this PDF file here, you will see all your HTML template with CSS code is converted to this PDF document, and you can just see the preciseness of this conversion. It simply exported all that HTML plus CSS template, and all you can see the paragraph which is in the green background color. We also see the menu, we also see the table, the paragraph, all the elements are successfully exported to PDF document. So in this tutorial we will look at how to do this. So first of all, for this you need to install this module which is Puppeteer, which is automation library in Node.js. So it's a very popular module. So first of all, you just need to install this by executing this command npm I puppeteer. I've already installed it. So if you need the full source code, guys, the link is given in the description. So now I will show you step by step how to do this. So just create a simple index.js file and start writing the code here. So the very first thing you need to do, you need to simply require the necessary packages, which is a file system module, which is a built-in module, and then we need to require the Puppeteer module. After that, we also need to require the path module, and after that we just need to mention which file we are converting. So in this case here we need to specify all the files here. So the HTML file, so the file needs to be present in the same directory. So here we are taking simply this index.html file, and then we will be declaring this PDF output file. So again, in the same directory we will create this file here, the output file, which will be index.pdf. And for this carrying out the conversion, we'll be creating a simple function which will be HTML to PDF, and we will be passing these two arguments here, your HTML file and the PDF output. So now we just need to construct this function which will be responsible for converting so here we'll be making this function. So this will be an async function. So inside this function here you can see now we just need to open the Puppeteer browser. For opening this, you will simply use this await, and then we use this launch function. So here you can pass the option headless to false. So this means that you will see the browser open as you execute the script. You can even put true here. So this means that the browser will open in the background. So here you can do that, and then we open the page. For opening the page, we call this function here, which is new page. So now it will open the page here by using this, and for this we just need to go to the location where this template is located. For this we will be using the file system module, and this contains this read file synchronize method, and here we'll be locating this file here. So this argument is passed here, HTML file. So we'll go to this location and open this in UTF-8 encoding type, and then after that we need to set this content. So await page dot set content, and simply we'll be passing this HTML content, and then the second argument here we need to pass is wait until, and this needs to be DOM content loaded. So this means that every element is loaded in the HTML file, then only do that. This is meant by that. And then Puppeteer contains this function here, which is page.pdf. So it will take the screenshot of this HTML template, and here we need to specify where to save it. So we actually need to save in this location that we provided, and here we can even specify the format here, A4 size, and if you also want the background you can put print background true. So after taking the screenshot, then we can close the browser automatically. So it contains a function browser close. It will close the browser, and then we can simply console log a statement that your PDF generated successfully. So this is actually the overall script here. So if I go to the terminal, just execute this, you will see it will open the browser automatically. It will take the screenshot, and then your PDF file is generated. So this needs to be template HTML. Sorry, I gave wrong name here. So this needs to be template. So whatever is your file name, you just need to give, and just open this. You will see it will open the, and then your PDF generated successfully. You will get this message, and so you can take any HTML template which is constructed using HTML and CSS code, and then it will actually take the screenshot, and then it will generate this as a PDF document. So using Puppeteer library you can easily carry out the conversion. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.